Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to trade with candlestick psychology. Let's start now. You can see this is USD JPY chart. The trend was going uptrend. Okay, so market reverse and again want to be go up from this level. Okay, so I will be place a trade on the confirmation candle and I am 100% sure here. Then after I will be trade. Otherwise I didn't place any trade here. Okay, when I am sure, then I will be place a trade, otherwise I didn't place a trade. Okay, so let's see what happened here after this candle. Okay, it's going up. Okay, 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 it's rejected by sellers. Okay, I'm placing a 100% sure shot here. Okay, so let's see what happened here. It's 89% profit on $50. It will be $44. Okay, so let's see on the next candle what happened. It's a very strong candle, huge candle. Then I will be place a call option here. Okay, I'm placing here a call option and I'm 100% sure about this candle. It will be close above my entry point. Okay, so let's see what happened here. If it is a close here, it means it's a, if the candle close as a red candle, it is not closed as a red, but if it is closed as a red candle on this line, it means it's a retracement candle. If it is closed as a red candle at this line, it means that candle as a retracement candle. Okay, so if it is closed as a red candle, then I will be again place a call option here, but I am sure about this candle. It's never closed below my entry point, or shit, it's a close on the my entry point. Okay, no issue. Let's see once more. Again I'm placing here again call option because I'm sure this candle will close as a green candle. Okay, so let's see what happened here. It's a low volume market, that's it, making a dojis here. No issue, I'm sure it will be close above my entry point. Okay, let's see what happened here. If it is close below my entry point on this blue candle, this blue line, so it will be a retracement candle, but I am sure it will be close above my entry point and give me a finish trade. Okay, so let's see at the last moment what happened here. Again no issue, and place again a call option because I am sure the candle will be go above from my entry point. Okay, the candle definitely close as a green candle, and in this third trade I will be win here. Okay, so we are fighting to IQ option. Okay, IQ option always want to close at the point because of the my amount. Okay, it never want to be win. I am this trade, it's a $44. That's it, it's making 2 times dozy, but I am sure this candle close as a green candle. That's it, I am placing here a call option, and now it's my third trade. I will be win here. Okay, so this is the right now like a WWE, we are fighting here with IQ option. Okay, so let's see on the next candle. It's a gap down open, so I'm not sure here about what happened here. Okay, so after this candle maybe I'm placing a trade. I need a good confirmation and good candle, so I will be place a trade here. Okay, so let's see what happened here. Okay, okay, huge rejection from the sellers. Sellers want to be control the market, but buyers are here, and buyers and sellers fight here. You can see the very strong rejection from the sellers. Okay, it means it's a very strong area from the sellers. Okay, let's see what happened here. Okay, okay, so if this candle close above my level, then we can go for the buy option. If we get a confirmation, then we will be go for the buy option here. Okay, so let's see what happened here after this candle. It's made a new low also, so it can be risky here. So I'm not place a risky trade, I just place only sure shot. Okay, so I'm sure about this candle, it will be closed as a red candle, not a green, but I'm not sure. Okay, so let's see what happened. If it is closed as a red candle, then again it's closed, then again next candle will be go up. Okay, if it is closed as a red candle, it's a good sign for me, so the next candle will be go up. Okay, so right now this candle going up and rejection, it closed at the level with a red candle. Okay, so the next candle will be go up, there is a more chances to the next candle will go up. Okay, so right now we don't know what happened here, it's closing as a green or red, so we are waiting here. Okay, so buyers are entered here already and they are winning this fighting, so the next candle definitely go up, but I need a margin of safety, so whenever it's come down, then I will be place a call option. Otherwise I didn't place right now because it's not a good trade. Okay, yes, I need a place a call option here, but the purchase time is gone, so I never place a trade right now. Okay, so right now you can see the market reject from that level. Okay, and it will be go up. Okay, so it's come to down and close above my level, then will be trade. Okay, again doji market make a too much doji here, so this one is the my last trade. Okay, and I am sure about that trade, it will be my winning trade. Okay, so let's see what happened here. With the little bit come down, the candle is little bit come down, not coming right now, so it's not a confirmed trade, so I'm not place a trade here because I need a one good confirmation trade. Okay, so I want to place a trade here, but it is not come like this in the purchasing time, so that's it, I'm not place a trade. I need to close this candle above my level. Okay, if it is closed above my level, the next candle will be go up, I'm sure. Okay, so right now it's a broke, it's again make a doji. Okay, it's again make a doji, I need a call option here. Yes, very good entry point. And oh, strong sellers are coming, no issue, because this want to be go up, why it's coming down I don't know, sometime it's happened, but no issue, it's a low volume market, no issue. If I lost this trade, I will be recover my loss on the next trade. Okay, but maybe it's closed above my entry point or on the my entry point, it will be reject maybe. So let's see what happened here. It's a very low volume market. Okay, 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 it's rejected by from my entry point. It's my very good entry point. I will be win this trade luckily because my entry point at the level on fast momentum. If I place a trade on the this candle closing point, so the closing point and my opening point is the sorry the my entry point is that same, and I will be again get a zero. Okay, so right now I will be win luckily this trade. Okay, I have not uh, place a trade on this level. I place a trade exact this closing point of this candle. Okay, so thank you very much for the watching my video. If you want to learn candlestick psychology and price action, then you can contact me. We will provide online classes, Hindi, Urdu and English, no issue. So you can contact me, we will start the class. Okay, thank you very much for the watching my video. Okay, have a nice day, goodbye.